Okay, next example. Find the area of triangle formed by the points P minus 1.5, 3, Q 6, minus 2 and R minus 3, 4. These are to be three vertices of one triangle. Okay, then you can find the area of that triangle. Okay, so now this is the first point, then automatically we can assume these are the given points P minus 1.5, 3 and Q 6, minus 2 and R minus 3, 4. So these 3 points x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Clear? Then the same procedure to find the area of the triangle. We know area of triangle is equal to half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So it is x1 minus 1 point half into modulus of minus 1.5. So y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus 4 plus x2 6 y3 minus y1 4 minus 3 plus x3 minus 3 y1 minus y2, it is y1 3 minus of minus 2. Clear? So by simplifying that, half into minus 1.5 minus 1.5 as it is, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 6 4 minus 3 1 plus into minus minus 3 3 minus of minus 2 means 3 plus 2. Clear? Half into minus plus 1.5 into 6 is 9.0. So no need to write in the decimal here. Why? Because it is a 0 only. So 9 plus 6 ones are 6 minus 3 3 plus 2 5 5 3 is a 15. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 minus 15, half into modulus of 15 minus 15. So 15 minus 15 is to be 0. So you write it as that, half into 0. So half into modulus of 0. So then directly write it as that, half into 0. Then it is to be 0. So here the area of triangle is 0. Here the area of the triangle is 0. Okay, we know if area of triangle is 0, then the vertices cannot form a triangle. So already we write the note points in the previous class. Okay, the area of triangle is 0, then the vertices cannot form a triangle. Okay, therefore the given points are not the vertices of any triangle. Those are to be collinear. Those are to be collinear. Okay, clear? So if the area of triangle is equal to 0, then area of the triangle is equal to 0, then the points are collinear. Then the points are collinear. If the area of triangle is not equal to 0, by then automatically those are not to be collinear. Those are not to be collinear. Okay, next question. Find the value of k if the points A 2, 3, B 4, 4, k and C 6, minus 3 are collinear. So here we can find the value of k. If the points A 2, 3, B 4, k and C 6, minus 3 are collinear, the meaning of these three given points are collinear, then automatically by applying these 3 points we cannot form a triangle. Okay, the meaning of the collinear, the 3 points are lie on the same line, Okay, the same line means already we know that collinear means it is A, it is B, it is C. So by joining these 3 points we got one line segment. So then automatically these 3 points are said to be collinear. We cannot form any triangle with these 3 given points. Okay, so here these 3 points are collinear, then automatically that area of the triangle is also to be equal to 0 by the 3 given points. Okay, so the area of triangle is equal to 0. Already we know that if the 3 points are collinear, area of those triangle is equal to 0. If the area of the triangle is right, converts thing that to that, the area of the triangle is equal to 0, then the 3 points are collinear. Okay, so here given A 2, 3, B 4, k and C 6, minus 3 are collinear. So these are 3 points x1 y1, x2 y2 and C x3 y3. So already we know one condition. If given points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed by them must be 0. Okay, so according to that, area of triangle is equal to 0. Okay, so half into, what is the area of the triangle formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That result is equal to 0. How can you write the result is equal to 0? So here the points are collinear, then automatically those area is equal to 0. Okay, so then so apply the values of x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 in the problem. X1 it used to be 2, y2 minus y3, k into minus of minus 3, k into minus of minus 3 plus x2 means it used to be 4, then y3 minus y1 minus 3 minus 3, so minus 3 minus 3, x3 into y1 minus y2, x3 means here 6 into y1 minus y2, 3 minus k that is equal to 0, clear, half into 2, k minus of minus 3 means k plus 3 plus 4 into okay, plus 4 into minus 3 means minus 6 plus 6 into 3 minus k as it is, that result is equal to 0. So that 1 by 2 should be transposed to that side to be changed as a 2 by 1. Okay, 0 into 2 by 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Coming to the LHS, 2 into k 2k, 2 into 3 6 plus into minus 4 6 are 24 plus 6 into 3 18 plus into minus 6 into k 6k. Okay, plus 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. 6 plus 18 is 24 positive, minus 24, clear. So plus 24 minus 24 cancel. The balance thing is to be modulus of minus 4k is equal to 0. Inside of the modulus, if we have the negative sign to be changed as a positive, so you write it as a plus 4k, that is equal to 0. K is equal to, the product is should be transferred to the side to be changed as a division. Okay, 0 by 4, 0 by 4 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore the required value k is equal to 0. Okay, this is the way to find that missing coordinate in the given point. Okay, so this is the way to find it. If the 3 points are set to be collinear, then automatically by forming the 3 points area should be 0. Okay, should be 0. Based on that we can solve this problem. Okay, here that required value of k is equal to 0. Okay.